Are you interested in making a living as a fashion store owner? If you are definitely not alone. In the United States and all around the world for that matter, there are many individuals who dream of running and operating their own fashion store. Unfortunately, many believe that dream is one that is too difficult to become a reality. Yes, it may be a little bit difficult for you to get a successful fashion store up and running, but it is more than possible to do so. The good thing about running a fashion store is that you have a number of different options. One of your options is your location. There are many individuals who choose to run a business out of a storefront location, others who choose to run an online fashion store, and others who choose to do both. If you are able to score a prime business location, it may be profitable for you to have a storefront location. However, it is also important to mention that many individuals are now deciding to do their shopping online. Therefore, you may want to take that into consideration as well. Another choice that you have when running your own fashion store is the type of products that you would like to sell. There are a large number of fashion stores in the United States and all around the world that focus on particular fashions like lingerie or work clothing. But the decision is yours to make. You may also want to decide whether you would like your fashion stores to sell just women's clothes, men clothing, teen clothing, or clothing for children. Of course, you can also decide to make your fashion store universal for all shoppers. Should you wish to do so? Another choice that you have is whose clothing you would like to sell. In addition to wanting to be a fashion store owner, do you also enjoy designing and making your own clothing or fashion accessories? If you do, you may want to think about selling your own designs. You may also want to think about selling the work of other fashion designers. As a business owner, you should be able to find a clothing designer or manufacturer who would be willing to sell their clothing and clothing accessories to you for wholesale prices, which are affordable. You also have the option of selling your own designs as well as others. Perhaps the only downside to starting your own fashion store is the cost associated with doing so. All businesses have startup costs, but the cost of starting your own fashion store can be quite high. If you want to run a storefront location, you need to rent or buy your own business space. You will also need point of sale equipment like cash registers as well as store fixtures and merchandise to stock your stores with. The good news, however, is that you don't have to be rich to start your own fashion store. By developing yourself a professional business plan, one that outlines what your design will be, how it will make money, and such you can easily seek financing and financial lenders or investors. If you're interested in starting your own fashion store, it is important to remember that it requires a lot of hard work and determination. With that in mind, however, it is more than possible for you to run a successful and profitable fashion store. As a reminder, be sure to research and review all local, state, and federal laws before opening your first store.